Still think high-resolution cameras are out of your budget? ACTi Essential Camera Series are here to change your mind with unbeatable value. Delivering up to 12MP resolution and full-featured AI analytics, they're the best-fit solution for banks, office buildings, and factories. From vaults to parking lots to hazardous storage zones, one camera covers it all. First, let's talk about resolution. ACTi Essential Camera Series support ultra-high resolution up to 12MP. Whether it's a bank ATM, an elevator hallway in an office, or a factory loading zone, every frame is crisp and detailed, no clue left behind. With our 12MP playback interface, you're always in control, no blur, no blind spots, and fully preserved evidence. Next up, intelligent analytics. With built-in people and vehicle detection and classification, the camera can instantly recognize suspicious loiterers in a bank, unusual activity at an office entrance, or vehicle traffic inside a factory. Just set the detection zone and sensitivity, the system handles the rest, sending real-time alerts and reducing manpower reliance. Now let's talk about compliance. Every ACTi standard camera meets international standards like NDAA and TAICS. Whether it's a bank vault, public area, or a large factory, you can deploy with peace of mind. Government, financial, or manufacturing projects, domestic or global, all meet strict procurement requirements without worry. Fourth, advanced image enhancement. ACTi cameras are equipped with extreme WDR and ultra-low light sensitivity, delivering clear footage even in the toughest lighting. Backlit telecounters, dark underground parking, night shifts on production lines, every detail captured clearly, legally admissible, and reliable. Fifth, harsh environment protection. We offer high-resolution models with anti-corrosion and explosion-proof features. For chemical warehouses, bank server rooms, or building electrical control rooms, our rugged cameras reduce hardware failure and protect long-term investments. Sixth, triple durability, waterproof, vandal-proof, and vibration-proof. Rainstorms, construction zones, or vandal-prone entrances, ACTi cameras stay online 24/7 without interruption. For always-on deployments in banks or factories, this is absolutely critical. Click the video info below to learn more. ACTi Essential Camera Series help you secure every location, every budget, and every mission. Experience affordable performance now. Turn your surveillance system into your strongest asset.